Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your stickers glow on CaPCut PC. So just go to stickers and select any sticker that you want. I'm trying to get these to load, which is not very fast. Okay, it's taking a long time to load these stickers for some reasons. I think it's because I don't really have a lot of space on my PC. There we go. Thank you very much. Alright, so get this sticker. And you're just, whoops, sorry, there we go. We're just going to go to effects and we're going to add the edge glow on the sticker. We can also add in the angel glow, oops, not that much though, just the strength. And that is it, really. If you create a compound clip, it's not going to work. So if you want to like overlay it, I think you have to combine it with a black background first, like so. Or like, actually I'm not sure if this is gonna, okay, yeah, you have to add in a black background first. Let me just change the sticker because this one is not giving, just saying. Like, no offense, but I think this one might look better. There we go. Okay, that scared me. I have my notifications on, which I don't really like. Okay, select everything, create compound clip. And then if you want to like overlay it on top of something, maybe like, let me like add this like random background. Go to like blend mode and select, oops, brighten or screen. Yeah, you use the screen one definitely, so you can overlay it on top of like any videos that you want. But it is a little bit see-through because of the image as well. That's how you can make any stickers glow though. It works with any sticker that you want. If you just like put like any sticker underneath that, it's going to work the same if my stickers would load. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.